Hello friends, welcome to GetitEmbedded. Today I am going to show you the demo of our project Arduino based line follower robot. This project consists of a Arduino microcontroller, a motor driver, a battery with charger circuit, and two IR sensors. This car moves forward on the white surface and stops on the black surface. You can turn it on by this button. As you can see, it moves forward on the lighter surface and stops on the black surface. Also, you can charge this car by a normal 5-volt micro USB charger. When the car is fully charged, this light turns to green. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest project ideas. Thank you.